My name is Mr. Mugisha Emmanuel. So in this lesson, I expect you to be more serious, because at the end of it all, you want to be promoted to the next class. So if a chance has come whereby we are going to teach you, but from your home, then accept the way we are going to do it. So in our lesson today, we are going to look at place values and values. Place values and values of numbers. So these two words, I want you to get them clearly, so that next time when I ask you a question, you don't confuse the two. When I talk about the place value, what does it mean? It means the position of a number. The position of a number. We normally give you positions in class. If you become number one, we don't say you are number one, but we say you are the first. So it means your position in class is the first. Even in numbers, we have positions. But in this case, positions will differ from, like the example which I have given you. Then the value. The value is the product you get after multiplying a digit by its place value. So in simple terms, place value, just the position. Then the value, the product of the place value and the digit which you have been asked to find. So in our example number one, we are going to look at how we can identify place values of underlined digits. So write the place value of the underlined digit. Okay? So 1, we shall have 5, 6, 7, and the underlined digit in this place is this one. Write the place value. The key word is place value, and the place value is the position. So, do you remember place values which your P1 teacher has taught you? The ones, tens, and hundreds, thousands when it comes to P6 and P4, then millions for P6 and P7? Yes. So, the underlined digit here is 7. So we are going to, first of all, identify the place values of all digits. And when we are identifying place values of digits, we begin from our right. So on our right, we have 7, which is in the place value of ones, and it is represented with O, capital O. 6 is in the place value of tens. You remember that, which is represented by capital T. Then 5 is in the place value of hundreds, which is represented by capital H. So go back to the question. Write the place value of the underlined digit. What is the underlined digit here? It is 7. So what is the place value of 7? We have said it is ones. So it is ones. So it means 7 is in the ones place value in this number. So our answer becomes ones. See? Very simple. Here, in our example 2, I have 4, 9, 8, 2. And I have this one. So what have I told you? First, identify the place values of all digits. So we have 4, 9, 8, 2. 4,982. What is the place value of 2? Remember, we begin from ones. That is ones. that is tens, that is hundreds, and that is thousands. If we have another digit here, then it is in hundreds. I mean it is in millions, but we may not go as far as that. So what is the place value of 8? In this case, what is the place value? It is tens. The place value becomes tens. So this is what you have been looking at ever since you started schooling, how to write place values. So I hope you are able to write place values of other digits. I'm going to give you the last example, which is number 2. And this time, we are going to write the place value of all digits, right? The place value of each digit in 5, 6, 7, 9, 2, 3. Okay? We are writing the place value of each digit in this. 567,923. So we shall have 5, 6, 7, then we have 923. Begin by writing the place values in short for each. 3, that is 1, is represented by O, capital O. Then 2, tens. 9, that is hundreds. 7, that is thousands. Then 6, that is 100,000. Then for 6, no, this one becomes, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Then this one becomes 100,000s. Okay, come and write them here. For 3, we have said that is ones. What about for 2? That is tens. Because we have been told to write the place value of each digit. What about this one? That is hundreds. What is the place value or the position of 7? It is in thousands. Then what is the place value of this 6? That one is in 10,000s. It is in the place value of 10,000. Then what is the place value of 5? It is in the place value of 100,000s. If you are very keen, you can see that all place values end with S. So if you write a place value that does not end with S, just know that you have misspelled the word. So the place value of 3, ones, 2, tens, 9, hundreds, 7, thousands, 6, 10,000s, 5, 100,000s. So here I have written all the place values of the digits in the number which I have given you. So I think the examples I have given you about place values are enough. After all, even a P4 child can do this. You were taught this one in the P4, even in the P3. So allow me now take you to our example 3, whereby we are going to see how values will differ from place values. So can you write the place value? write the place value, the value of each digit in 532. Write the place value, write the value of each digit in 532. So we have 532 here, and I told you that the difference between value and place value is that for place values, we are talking about the position, and you have seen the positions I have given you. Then when it comes to the value, you must get the digit, then you multiply it by the place value. So, what is the place value of 2? It is ones. What is the place value of 3? It is tens. What is the place value of 5? It is hundreds. These are place values. So I want values. So the value of 2 is going to be the digit multiplied by its place value. So in this case, which one is the digit? The digit is 2. What is its place value? Ones. So I multiply by 1. And what am I getting? 2. You see that? So can we go ahead and get now the value of 3? What is the digit? 3. What is its place value? Tens. So we multiply by 10. And what is this one going to give you? 30. Then we got 5. I want the value, and the value I get digit, which is 3, 5, times its place value, which is 100. And what is the value now of 5? It becomes 500. So if somebody asked you that what is the value of 2? Are you going to tell me ones? No, you are going to tell me 2. What is the value of 3? The answer is what? 30. What is the value of 5? The value of 5 is what? 500. Can I take you through one more example? Then I give you some activity to do. Now, example 4, write what is the value of 3 in 93,642. What is the value of 3 in 93,642? So in this, I need only the value of this digit, the value of that digit. So we have 93,642. Step 1, write the place values of all digits, ones, tens, hundred, thousands, and what is this one? 10,000. And which digit do we need? 3. So what is its place value? I've told you place value. To get the place value, these are the words on top, the position. So I want the value. So I will get the digit, which is 3. I multiply it by its place value, which is 1,000. Which product am I going to get? 3,000. Therefore, the value of 3 becomes 3,000. My dear good learners, I know this is not so hard. After all, I'm just revising what you learned in P4. Only that I have added on some place values which are in 10,000s. So I'm going to give you an activity which I hope you are going to sit down alone, write well, because at the end of it all, I'm going to mark. So when I come in my next lesson, we shall first of all go through the activity which I'm going to give you so that you can mark yourself and see how many you have scored. Thank you so much for being good learners. Continue washing your hands because Corona is still with us. Don't get tired. Wash your hands with soap and water. And if you have sanitizers, please use it to kill those germs. Thank you very much for being good learners. Bye-bye.